In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import content into your WordPress site efficiently and effortlessly. If you're considering moving your content from another platform to WordPress, or you simply want to understand how to import various types of data to your WordPress website, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make this learning experience as straightforward and enjoyable as possible. First things first, you need to navigate to wordpress.com. This platform is a powerful tool for building websites, selling products, starting blogs, and so much more. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your WordPress dashboard where all the magic happens. For those of you who have your Google account handy, you can simplify the login process by clicking on Continue with Google. This option can significantly streamline your login procedure, especially if you're not too keen on remembering another password. Next, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to continue with. Choose the account linked to your WordPress. This will make things smoother moving forward. Once you've selected your account, you'll need to give WordPress permission to access your Google account by clicking Continue. Don't worry, this is a standard authentication process that's both secure and necessary for using Google's login service. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard, the control room for your site. To get to the heart of the matter, navigate to My Home of your WordPress site. Look for the Tools option on your dashboard. Your cursor doesn't need to click just yet. Simply hover over Tools to reveal a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll find the Import option. Clicking on Import will take you to a new page where you can choose from a variety of platforms to import your content from. WordPress is quite accommodating, offering the ability to import data from several other blogging and content management platforms. By now, you're probably feeling pretty excited about the simplicity and versatility WordPress offers for importing content. Depending on the platform you're importing from, the process may vary slightly. However, the essence remains the same. Select the platform you're importing from and follow the straightforward instructions provided by WordPress. Let me share a couple of helpful tips to ensure a smooth import process. Firstly, ensure that the content you're importing is well organized and backed up just in case. This can save you a lot of headaches if something doesn't go exactly as planned. Secondly, be patient. Depending on the size of the content you're importing, it might take some time for the process to complete. Importing content into WordPress is not just about moving data, it's about opening up new possibilities for your digital presence. Whether you're migrating an entire website or importing a blog to give it a new home, WordPress makes this transition seamless. Remember, the key to a successful import is preparation. Make sure you understand the format and structure of the content you're moving. Sometimes, especially with large websites, you might need to do a bit of housekeeping to ensure that everything transfers over smoothly. In conclusion, importing content to your WordPress site is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your site's functionality and appeal. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're well on your way to effectively managing and expanding your digital space. WordPress is designed to be user-friendly, but that doesn't mean you should rush through the import process. Take your time, follow the steps carefully, and soon you'll have successfully imported your content into WordPress, ready to engage and captivate your audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you now feel confident in your ability to import content into WordPress. Whether you're looking to transfer your site from another platform or incorporate new elements into your existing WordPress site, you're equipped with the knowledge to do so efficiently. Happy importing and see you in the next video.